Wondering what extra uses you can give to ChatGPT? Today, we are diving into 5 unknown benefits of this development that has revolutionized the world. ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI, is primarily known for its conversational abilities and providing helpful responses across various topics. However, beyond casual conversation and information retrieval, there are several lesser-known uses of ChatGPT that demonstrate its versatility and potential impact in different domains. Number 5. Creative writing assistance. One lesser-known use of ChatGPT is as a tool for creative writing assistance. Writers, whether professionals or hobbyists, can utilize ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas, overcome writer's block, or generate creative prompts. By providing the model with a brief outline or a specific theme, users can receive diverse suggestions, plot twists, character names, or even entire story arcs. This can be particularly valuable for authors looking to explore new narrative directions or enhance the richness of their storytelling. Number 4. Educational support and tutoring. ChatGPT can serve as a virtual tutor or educational assistant, helping students grasp complex concepts, explain difficult topics, or provide additional practice questions. Whether studying mathematics, history, languages, or any other subject, learners can ask questions in natural language and receive explanations tailored to their level of understanding. This makes ChatGPT a versatile tool for personalized learning and supplementary education, especially in subjects where immediate access to information and explanations is beneficial. Number 3. Technical support and troubleshooting. In the realm of technical support, ChatGPT can assist users with troubleshooting issues, providing step-by-step instructions, troubleshooting tips, or explanations for resolving common problems. Whether troubleshooting software errors, setting up devices, or understanding technical jargon, ChatGPT can offer accessible guidance and support in real time. This capability can be particularly useful for individuals seeking quick solutions or DIY enthusiasts looking to solve technical challenges independently. Number 2. Language translation and practice. ChatGPT's multilingual capabilities make it a valuable tool for language learners and travelers. Users can practice conversational skills, receive translations of phrases or sentences, or even learn about cultural nuances in different languages. By interacting with ChatGPT in various languages, learners can improve their language proficiency, expand their vocabulary, and gain confidence in real-world language use scenarios. Number 1. Financial planning and budgeting. ChatGPT can be utilized as a virtual financial advisor to assist with financial planning, budgeting, and investment strategies. Users can input their financial goals, income, expenses, and savings targets, and ChatGPT can provide personalized recommendations and insights. It can analyze spending patterns, suggest areas for saving, and propose investment options based on individual risk tolerance and financial objectives. Here you have them. 5 uses of ChatGPT you need to start using now. Let us know in the comments which ones you are already using, and give us a like and subscribe for more quick advice.